How to convert Lazada coins to Gcash. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can convert Lazada coins to Gcash. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Lazada application in your mobile device. Now, once you're on your home page, navigate at the bottom right corner, then tap on the account icon. Now once you're here, you have to scroll down and then tap on Lazada Wallet. Now, in order to convert your Lazada coins to Gcash, you have to activate the Lazada Pay. So here, simply tap on Login. So for that, you have to log into Lazada Pay and then you have to activate your wallet. During the wallet activation, you need to provide the account number or the phone number associated with your Gcash, and then you will receive a verification code. Once you are verified, then you will be able to convert your Lazada coins to Gcash. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.